So just a few new items in my Target dollar spot. They have the candles. You know they're gonna light up. You just need a battery for this one. Little ceramic house to paint. This one's $3 and they have a pumpkin. One pumpkin, $3, which is brew, and they have snake venom. Oh my goodness. And don't forget, you guys could buy these offline. Bewitching in the kitchen. Bone Hoppity. Okay, that's kind of funny. And of course, Hey Boo. $1, the little carved ones, and $1 for these, like yarn ones. Oh, these are nice too, and these are $1. They're breakable. Here, velvet. And then it looks like more ceramic for $3. I don't remember. Maybe I did share the bat one. They have like a cloth over it, and then more spooky and happy Halloween. So a lot of it is the same. Slowly coming in my Target. Slowly. Oh, these are like little puzzles for $1. That's kind of cool. It comes in a tube. This is actually kind of cool. I just found it in the Halloween area. So it looks the same. If you've been watching my videos, slowly they've been putting it out, but it is going fast in my area, which is crazy. Okay, so I found this randomly just lying around. It is a villain mug. So before and after, it's gonna change colors. It's gonna glow in the dark. Is this my Stitch guy? Oh, you know what? I should have bought the Stitch pumpkin. See? He looks so funny. I like funny little kiddish items like that. Oh, here's a new bottom. Oh, he's kind of cool looking. You gonna put something on there? Oh, he's like a fat headless horseman. Yeah. Kind of. Like scarecrow. Yeah, he's cute.
I like it with the pumpkin on it.
Today they have the lemons, you guys. The lemons are out. Do you guys like these? They're so funny. They do light up. And the apple. I think the apples might look cute on a counter. I know some people weren't digging it, but it's actually quite cute. Oh, look at this one.
It's like the plant on the Addams Family.
Yeah. What was her name on Addams Family? I was watching it yesterday. I think I'm on... No, oh, maybe. But it's so funny because if you watch it from the beginning, I'm watching it in order. The plant looks really different. And then they changed it quite a bit. Like maybe when you get into the third video. This, I'm gonna guess the cat is gonna go in and out, right? He's doing a jig. Okay, and these, oh, I like the eyes on that one. Okay, what else do we have? We've seen these already. I know a lot of you were not feeling the Saints, and I will have to say I do agree on that for Halloween. I mean, like this guy, I think he looks actually quite cool. I mean, you could add some black paint if you want it to look more spooky, but I didn't care for the sayings on this one at all. Now this ghost reminds me of Mario. The bottom one that lights up. These are $35. Little ghost and pumpkin is $40. And look, they have little hands for $10. You get 20 skeleton hands. And these are $10. This little LED stake. You only get one. Those are really cool, right? You know what? I never noticed a cat blinking. And more lights. Okay. Looks like a little bit of costumes. Let me go back down this one aisle. Maybe I missed something. Trick or treat. The sign is 20. They have candy, dead end, and tricks for 10. Welcome treaters. These are 10 down here. Just like a windmill. It is like, oh, it's doubled. It's doubled. Okay, you get 2. 2 for $10. You get like the pumpkin and like the crow. Okay, that's kind of cool. This cat, are you feeling it? It looks not happy. 15. Then more Happy Halloween. That is 10. Yeah, a lot of this I feel like is really geared toward preschoolish, very childish. And there's nothing wrong with that, but you know, sometimes it's like, yeah. These are 15. These are wood. Oh, look at the bat. Try me. Where? Ah! Oh, the arms move. Okay. And look, you guys, they have a little ghost here for $5. So it looks like they're gonna bring out the little, you know, haunted house figures that they normally have, the little wood ones, if you remember that. These are really cute. They're cute. And then more like a countdown. Let me see if that's really 5. It is really $5. Hey, not bad. These are really heavy. See, when I see wooden signs like that, that remind me of Hobby Lobby. And you know, Hobby Lobby gets pretty pricey. Same pumpkin. Trick or treat rat. And this cat. And then we got the ghost. It does. That's funny. What else? Oh, see, here's like a little wooden one, cemetery. These are 10. Oh, look, it looks like they're all supposed to go here. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back. Which parking? This is out. 15. Oh, don't do anything.
Oh, it's already doing it.
I thought it makes music though. And then, you know, these are gonna light up. Oh, what is that one?
They're in a tree stump.
That's funny. It's $35. My finger. Let's see this one. And of course, the eyeball.
I see you. I'm watching you. I can see you. Please come in.
These little birdies, look how they're dressed up. I believe they're 5. Oh gosh, turn that off. And this cat, it might make cat noises. They normally have this one. Yeah. How do you guys feel about that? The owl, more pumpkins. These are actually quite cute. I like this one right here. These are $5. Little pumpkin painting kit. And you got stampers. And then, you know, you could definitely DIY this at home. So if you have broken up crowns already and you have a pumpkin, put the crowns on top, take the blow dryer and just blow down, you know, with the blow dryer, and it'll just start melting. These are like craft pumpkins. Okay. Oh, little pirate guy.
Watch out, he steal your nuts.
That's kind of funny. And this might do it. The rest are like bags. These are $3. New costumes. Got the skeleton, a minion, PJ mask. Oh, look at this one. Look at that little tiny monster one. That's kind of funny. Fortnite, like a glow skull trooper. We walk down here. Oh, look, he's an X-ray. How funny. For $35. Oh, it lights up too. That's funny. I'd never seen that. Hey, it's like that guy that used to wear the bodysuit.
Slim good body.
Yeah, do you guys remember that? I mean, okay, I'm in my 30s, alright, but there was a guy we used to watch all the time in school who would put on a human outfit like this that showed your heart, your kidneys, where everything is in your body.
You know, he was on Archer too.
And I think he still does shows. It's gonna light up. Toon Squad. Everything for little girls in here. Frozen, Jasmine, Mulan, Tiana, Moana, Mermaid. You name it, they have it. Oh, look, there's a monarch butterfly. Hey, we've been having so many caterpillars come through. And when I go walking, and I'm like, oh no. But they turn into monarchs, which is kind of cool because all we have in our backyard now is butterflies. Same stuff. Okay, what's new in the food? The food area, don't forget water. I might do water this year. I'm not too sure. Normally I hand out Capri Suns because I know it's hot. Oh, look, they have the Cheetos Flamin' Hot Bag and Bones. Oh my gosh, look, it's out. The Halloween kind. Annie's has caramel apple. They're organic for $2.59. Look at Annie bats are $8 to get 28. Fruit flavored. Oh, I want one. Okay, hold on to that. I might get that.
That's cool. I like the bats.
Monster Minis. Oh, you guys, they're making a new one. I saw the commercial yesterday. Oh, look. They have, these are just chocolate. They're just decorating, you know, the box, which I like looking at. I don't know why. Those are just jumbo cereals. Spooky sheeps. What is this one? Oh, miniature. You know what? I like
colors on
the Frankenstein cups. I don't know why I'm not a fan of Reese's, but I bought some and I'm like, oh, these are good. I mean, it's just a color, right? I don't know. I feel like it tastes better. Is that like white chocolate? Right? But the bottom is the white chocolate, right? Colored green?
I think so. I don't eat those ones, but I like Nutrageous and I like Reese's, like the bad Reese's.
Get 80 bags for 10. Halloween style. And it looks like more stuff is gonna be here. Oh yeah, I think candy. So they have ghost hollow like little cookie houses. Yeah, that's kind of
I
cool.
like that one.
Those are neat. And it looks like these are selling out. Oh, they had pumpkin bats. I bought these in Walmart last night. Oh, look, for Kit Kat, they had Witch's Brew. What is that? Just colored green. Almond milk. We have creamer. We have pumpkin spice and maple caramel. And they do have the pumpkin chobani and pumpkin caramel. I wonder if this is good. Has anybody tried this yet? They also have apple pie. At Christmas, peppermint mocha. What? Are you guys ready for that? They have pumpkin spice. So for dogs, they have, you know, balls. Look at this one. Ah, his eyes are poking out. Squeeze me. And bats. The little candy corn. Boo Bars, crunchy dog biscuits. Okay, with cinnamon and pumpkin. And they have the dental sticks. This one's blueberry flavored. Alright, I did find more. We have a nightmare. Look at, they're just like little plushies. They're $10. It has Sally. She got, her head's actually quite heavy. Boogie Boogie. And yeah, I just found those randomly. So today they have the ghost, which I don't know if we've seen this one, but they brought out this witch one. And I'm loving the face on this one. Why? I don't know why. And you guys, that might do it. These are cute. Look at these little cute ghosts. They're $3. So adorable. And they have the cat. We have this Mickey one and they're $10, I believe. And what's really cool, they come with the lid because normally they don't come with the lid. You get the lid and straws. You get 4 in here. That is, I want them. Do I need them? Oh gosh. And oh, here's the picture. Okay, here's the Jack. Got Oogie Boogie. I'm gonna grab one. I'm debating on this Mickey one. He's like really cute. And you guys, they have the villains. Let me turn it around for you. Can you see that? Is there too much glare? They do glow in the dark. And look at the Simpsons. You have Bart in here. Homer and the alien guy. What's their name?
Kodos and Kang.
So I found this. It's called Haunt of Fame. Beauty of Horror. Look at Elvis. He's a zombie. Bruce Lee. What is his name? Godfather Man. What is his name? Looks like Ozzy right here. Jimi Hendrix. David Bowie. Kind of fits David Bowie. And maybe Marilyn Monroe. And what is his name?
This looks like Charlie Chaplin.
I named all of them.
Did you see
Oh,
Alfred Hitchcock down there?
how funny. I did not see that. This is $13.59. Look at that. Paint that. I mean, oh, look, here's Stormtrooper. Oh gosh, look at Leia. She's cray cray.
The reptilians.
The Godfather
They
one.
kind of look like the aliens from They Live. Some
I
of
was
them
about
do.
to say that. Yeah. Oh, look, there's Freddy.
Oh, cool. I look at Bruce Lee.
Yeah. Jimi Hendrix, it looks like.
And the monkeys from Wizard of Oz. Oh, Edgar Allan Poe. Bob Marley.
I like how they included the dreads. It's kind of, this is actually quite cool. So you're telling me that's not Ozzy? I said
It
Ozzy.
looks like Ozzy.
Looks like
It is
Ozzy.
Ozzy.
Huh. This is really neat. If you're into coloring, you might want to pick that up.
Oh, you know what? It's not Ozzy.
John Lennon?
It's John Lennon.
Ah, see,
I
I
didn't
was,
see. You know what? It could be Ozzy, like that, and then you see that. and
I
you're
was
like,
thinking about John Lennon.
John Lennon.
Looks like for Christmas they added more. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.